So you want to replace your engine filter on your Lexus or Toyota? Let's go do it. Come on. So you came here to replace the engine air filter on your Lexus ES350. This model year is a 2009. Right here we have a male engine air filter, LX2681. I'll link this product in the description below. But really simple. First things first, we got to take off all the plastics to get to the cabin air filter. Next, there should be 3 clips, I believe. Here's 1, 2, 3. Pop these clips off. We should be able to get access to the old engine filter. Dang, that is bad. And we always love giving a side-by-side comparison of the old filter versus the new filter. And we know it's needed. I mean, there's no question about it. It is bad. And again, this is all the debris that comes from the road. And this filter filters it out so it's clean air going into your engine. It's going to make your engine work harder. It's going to reduce gas mileage. And it is a recommended service that's needed. But you don't have to do this at the dealership, guys. This is so easy, so cheap. It takes me not even 5 minutes. But real simple, we're going to put the new one in. And finally, put those clips back on. We're done. Guys, that was so simple and so easy. That took me not even 5 minutes, and you can do it too. But if you wanted to replace your engine air filter on your Lexus ES350 or any Lexus or Toyota products, this is literally a universal process and shouldn't take you guys literally no more than 5-10 minutes. If this video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, because I love making videos like this and I love teaching you guys how to fix things. I really can't believe this is how much the dealership wanted to charge us for this job. It was so simple. I mean, anybody could do it. All you need is a little bit of time, patience, and watching this video, you can get it done as well. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want me to make next. I love making videos like this, and I take your recommendations, and I love reading your comments. But as always, I'm Rami. This is RQ's Garage. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.